Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Classi.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich, and this week we will talk about implementing formatted controls on Desk Director forms. To begin, open the Desk Director admin portal and either click New Form to create a new form or select an existing form to edit. Add an email field by clicking Add New Question, select Email from the list, then enter your question title and subtitle. The email address field will let users input their email and will validate its format. To specify the number of entries allowed for this field, use the Multi-Entries drop-down menu.
Now, let's add a URL field. Click Add New Question. Open the three-dot menu for more options and select URL. Enter your question title and subtitle. The URL field allows users to input a web address and will verify if the URL is valid.
To add a number field, start by clicking Add New Question. Then, open the three-dot menu for more options and select Number. Enter your question title and subtitle. Users will be able to input only numerical values in this field. To add validation for the input, click the three-dot menu again and select Add Validation. Choose your validation condition from the drop-down menu. Enter the limit value for this condition in the text box. Finally, provide an error message in the designated text box to display if an invalid number is entered.
To add a phone number field, click Add New Question. Next, click the three-dot menu to expand the options and select Phone. Enter your question title and subtitle. The phone number field will allow users to input their phone number and will validate the format to ensure it's correct.
You can click the Country drop-down menu to select the country prefix for the phone number. Use the Multi-Entries drop-down menu to set the number of entries allowed for this field. Finally, click Save to save the form. And that's how you implement formatted controls on your Desk Director's form.
See you next time for another Fun with Forms video.